Taking you through news update from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Rivers emergency rule to end soon, says federal government. Youth loot Tinubu's Ramadan palliative in Gombe. Ricardo Banks threatens to expose demonic entertainment players. Now the news in detail. The federal government has assured that the emergency rule imposed on Rivers State will be lifted as soon as normalcy is restored. Mohammed Idris, the Minister of Information and National Orientation, made this known in an interview with the Nation newspaper, stating that President Bola Tinubu is committed to reinstating democratic structures in the state. As soon as he assesses that sanity has returned to Rivers State, he will ensure the restoration of all democratic structures in that state, Idris said. He emphasized that the president has no ulterior motives regarding the state governance, dismissing speculations of a political takeover. Idris explained that the decision to impose emergency rule was necessary due to the collapse of governance in the state, which required urgent intervention. The minister reiterated that President Bola Tinubu will not keep emergency rule in place longer than necessary, stressing that the move was taken in line with the constitutional provisions to restore order. Away from that, a group of youth in Gombe State have reportedly looted Ramadan palliatives meant for distribution by Tinubu, the son of President Bola Tinubu. The palliatives were reportedly part of his initiative to support the less privileged during the fasting period. According to reports, Tinubu has been visiting northern states, where he participates in iftar with residents and political leaders. As part of his visit, he also launched Ramadan feeding programs aimed at providing food and essential items to the needy. However, chaos erupted in Gombe when the palliative distribution reportedly got out of control, leading to looting by a group of youths. The looting incident has sparked a wave of reaction on social media, with Nigerians expressing mixed opinions. As of now, neither Tinubu nor officials in Gombe State have issued an official statement regarding the looting. From the world of celebrities, Nigerian artist Ricardo Banks has stirred controversy online with his post while threatening to expose demonic entertainment players in the industry. In a post shared on his page on X, formerly known as Twitter, Ricardo Banks disclosed that he would grant an interview calling out some entertainment players whom he tagged as demonic. He disclosed that a lot of young talent end up falling into the hands of these demonic entertainment players, who use them and also end up frustrating them. He wrote, "One day, I'll take an interview to talk about someone in the corners of the entertainment industry who's either absolutely clueless or plain demonic. Somehow, the brightest budding talents fall in theory labs, or either through cluelessness or pure demonic activities. They agreed to policies that effectively slow these talents down, and for some other talents, frustrate them out of pursuing their dreams." While Nigerians await Ricardo Banks' next post or interview, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.